Hello everybody, STech here, and today we're going to be looking at how to make your very own Rainbow Smash from Fortnite. So let's get into it. So here we have the finished product, and you can see it's all painted. It barely looks like cardboard, or maybe you can recognize it as cardboard. It depends. This rod is one of the few things that is not cardboard. This rod and then the eyes are actually plastic. So we have downloadable templates, and you can get those down in the comments section. So let's look at the templates. Let's see. We have this, which is not a template. That's just to show how to paint this handle, and I'll get into that later. So what we have is the main body, which you kind of maybe think it looks like the top of a supply llama, which it is the exact same thing. Maybe you could make a supply llama with this. I don't really care what you do. So this looks the same shape as that. You're gonna cut out two of these out of your cardboard, and then wrap cardboard around. It's not going to be solid. Do not stack up tons and tons of these and then wrap cardboard. No, you just want to take two and then wrap your cardboard around it, and that'll make it look nice and smooth like that. Then we have the hair right here. Has this little piece that goes in. Okay, so we have the hair, which I can hold. It's like this, and the hair is all this, just cutting off this little tip right here. And then turn that. The hair also has this ear cutout part, which you can see lines up right with that ear right there. So you're gonna have to kind of use the ear first and then cut off the tip so you can use it as the hair. And let's put these templates away. So those are the only things I'm gonna have templates for, because I felt like the other things, maybe you want to change the size, like the circles, like these circles, here, there, maybe this rod. We'll have to change, if you have a different sized pole, it will change the size of these and the size of this, which might change the size of the wheels, and this might change, because if you make your own jaw, then it will change. Because I don't know what width you want to make it. You can decide that, so that's why I didn't do the jaw, because that would make it hard to have a template for that. The eyeballs are Easter eggs, like the bottom half of an Easter egg, and the real big ones, and you just kind of cut off a little bit to make them look nice and circle. We have the hair right here, which is two pieces of cardboard, and it has another piece of cardboard kind of wrapped around, going in all these. So let's see, these cut-ins will be on the templates. The template I showed you just has it drawn on, but the templates I give you will have all these cut-ins shown, just to make it easier for you. I mean, you could do them on your own, but templates will have them. The ears will kind of glue onto the hair, and then they'll all glue on to this body. We have kind of the reins, and this kind of golden chain I made, painted it gold, just a piece of circle cardboard. Have the teeth, and then these side pieces that are both silver. This gold, some gold right here, some purple, and then this shaft or handle is kind of turquoise fading into a nice pink, and this is another turquoise down here and some more of that nice pink color. This silver pink and the hair are different colors. This is more of a purpley pink. This is more of like a not hot pink, but sparkly pink, and this right here is like a hot pink, like a very bright pink. So for this handle, you can use anything. You can use a wooden dowel. You could use toilet paper roll, maybe. That probably wouldn't work that well. I used a piece of a fan, the stand of it. It was broken, so I took that apart and took that out. To secure the handle to the head, I had a pencil inside, and I just kind of jabbed that through these rings and into here, and glued that all, and that secured it. The eyes are just glued on. The horn is just glued on. All of this other stuff is just glued on. I painted everything. I painted the body turquoise and I put the rainbows on, and then I put the handle on. And put the handle on after I'd already painted the handle. I painted the handle, then I put all this stuff on, and I attached it. The hair and the ears are painted separately and glued on. Same thing with the reins and the eyes and the horn and the jaw. Those are all glued on after they were all painted. That way I wouldn't if I was trying to paint this when it was already glued on, I'd probably be all messy. So that's why you want to glue it on afterwards. That'll make you a lot easier. right here we have kind of how I designed the handle. So you just kind of cut it into two parts and paint it all black. And then you're just kind of dry brush on this paint, so very little amounts, and you're just kind of roll it and then brush on, getting gradually less and less until they meet in the middle and kind of mix. And that black underneath gives it a kind of shiny texture. The wheels are not solid. They're just two discs of cardboard, and then have cardboard coming around. Ears, everything has cardboard around to make sure it's all smooth. The rainbow goes underneath, so like since I painted everything first, the rainbow does actually continue underneath those golden discs and the purple disc. I think that's about everything. So that just about wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.